Hi everyone, welcome back to another video from Editing Basics. In this video, we will be learning how to add sky in Snapseed. Snapseed does not have a dedicated tool for sky replacement on an image, but you can achieve a new sky effect using the double exposure feature. So here's how you can do it. Open up your Snapseed application and tap on the plus button on the screen. Select one of the images you'd like to use as your base image. Soon after you do that, tap on the Tools option at the bottom and click on Double Exposure on the bottom of the screen. Click the image icon at the bottom left with a little plus in it and select the image of sky from your camera roll. After you add the image of sky, you can use pinch and drag gesture to adjust its position and size. Ensure the new sky aligns well with the horizon in your original photo. Now, go to the bottom of the screen and tap on this little dewdrop kinda icon. Increase or decrease the slider in order to make the sky background more or less visible. Once you're happy with the result, tap on the check mark at the bottom right, and that's how you will be able to add sky background on Snapseed. You can now go ahead and export to image on your desired location. I hope the tutorial was helpful to you. If it was, go ahead and give us a thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the bell icon so that you'll never miss another upcoming upload from us. I will be back again in the next episode. Thanks for watching.